Hello, welcome back to Limited Productions. I'm Jake and this is my R32 Skyline. It's a 1993 model. I bought it about, I'd say 6 years ago, fairly standard. And since then, we've done it up and it's become what it is now. So the initial plan for this car was to use it as a daily, but since after a bit of driving around and whatever, you want a bit more fun. So we've tried to, I went drifting around and we've modified it as we've progressed with drifting. So we started off with stock car non-turbo engine, and since then we've done a lot of modifications to them. We've done steering, we've upgraded the engine, rebuilt RB20 DET, 25 turbo GDR injectors, Nissan ECU, 250 horsepower. And then we get onto steering. So it's got modified knuckles. The steering pickup has been cut shorter. The lower control arms have been extended 20mm. The whole subframe steering rack crossmember. The steering rack location pickup points have been moved forward 20mm for clearance when on full lock. And that's about it for the front suspension. It's got adjustable upper camber arms and everything as well. And then for the rear suspension, we've got lower control arms shortened 10mm just to get the camber straightened up. It's running about +1 camber in the rear, so that when it squats down it goes up to 0. Adjustable toe arms, camber arms. It's got a 4.3 diff in it. Alright, so the wheels we have are Work CR Kais. In the rear they're genuine, in the front they're a replica Japanese brand. They're not actually genuine ones. So 17-18 stagger. We've got two 2540s, two 3540s. And then we move on to the body kit. It's a full Vertex kit around with D-Max front guards, 20mm widened, GDR wing grille with the Rocket Dancer gurney flap on the rear. We've got GK Tech mirrors and a D-Max roof wing as well. Headlights. We've modified them ourselves. We've done a 2-up clear lens on the front. It's plastic lens with the halo lights inside and painted black all inside. So that's really nice. It looks really clean. With the interior, we have a Cusco half cage. It is a 4-point mounted with a fire extinguisher mounted to it just for safety. Okay, so we're going to go into more detail about the engine. It's a rebuilt 2-litre RB20 24 valve. A few differences we have here. We've got the custom intake plenum, custom front mount intercooler, the piping and everything. We've got the 3-inch exhaust with a external gate welded onto the original manifold there. Pod filter, catch can, things like that. We've got a Turbo Smart boost controller, GDR 440cc injectors. We've got BC coils all around as well, and RB25 gearbox, relocated oil cooler. I think it's a 3-core aluminium radiator. Yeah, I think that concludes most of the engine bits.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video of an amazing car, and I just want you to remember, it doesn't matter what car you have, you just need to go out and enjoy it and create memories. Make sure to check out all of our social medias at Limited Productions, and also check out Jake Gilbert at all of his social medias and his YouTube. See you next time.